Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Sherry Money and I'm here with another video. This is creating a puff from a felt twist out. So if you want to see how I achieve these results, please stay tuned for the rest of the video. Please don't forget to like, thumbs up, comment down below, share as much as possible, and subscribe. You have nothing else to do because we are staying in quarantine until this stuff calms down, regardless of the states opening up. So stay tuned and you'll get to see how I achieve these results. All right, y'all. So basically, I'm just going to give you a run through of what I'm doing. This was a twist out that I had just taken down probably about 10-15 minutes prior to filming this video, and I did not like how it turned out. Before I go on, that is the Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm just showing you the products that I will be using for this high puff. That is African Pride Olive Miracle Edge Control, and that is the Pantene Gold Series Edge Tamer. Now, I used the Wetline Extreme Gel to give it that shine and just like that sleek look, but I went in with the Edge Control because it gave it a better hold for me, and it also gave that great shine as well. Now, as I was stating before, this is actually, that's just me showing you. I will be rubbing that around the perimeter of my hair, and that's all I'm using the Edge Control and the Wetline Extreme Gel for. So I'm just putting it on the back, the sides, and the front, and you will see me do the same with the Edge Control as well. Now, I will say this, the shine in my hair from this twist out was extremely amazing. There's nothing in my hair, nothing at all, except for the products that I use to do the twist out. And I truly believe it is the As I Am double butter cream that gave me that shine. So I will be incorporating that from this day forward in every wash day routine and making that happen. But just to clarify, that's basically what's going on. The twist out did not turn out the way I wanted it to, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm gonna get it together, and I'm actually going, on my next wash day, I will actually show you my twist out routine, doing it the correct way. And also lastly, the hair tie that I used, I actually ordered off of Amazon, and it is by Bisbee, and it is to help to hold hair in place and not be so tight. It's for people with thick hair, curly hair, wavy hair, anything like that. So great for its naturals, and I really do like it. It's actually held up in my hair really well, and it's actually still in there tonight. So yeah, and that's basically it, and I will tie it up with my scarf, and I did put a bonnet on as well when I went to bed, and then I took it down the next morning, which you will see. So that's pretty much it, and I'm just going to speed up the rest of the process for you, so it's just not long and drawn out. But please do be careful with how I'm doing it. There is because you need to keep your finger in the front so it does not snag on your hair, and you just push it up to your desired look, to however high you want your puff or what have you. And it is 2 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, if I look crazy, that's why. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I had to be up at 8, which I was up at 6 because I had a doctor's appointment 3 hours away. So yeah, that's what your girl was into. But I'm pretty certain you're tired of hearing me talk because this could just be sped up. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will see you when I'm finished. Alright, welcome back, y'all. It is the next morning, and this is the finished look of my ruined twist out that I created into a high puff. And I think it turned out pretty good. A little frizz, but that was to be expected. I just picked it at the roots for the most part, just to give it a little lift, and I laid down my edges, and this is what it is looking like. I showed you the products I used, which was the Wetline Extreme Gel and the Pantene Edge Control, along with the African Pride Edge Control Smooth and Shine. And that was to go around the perimeter of my hair just to get it up. And I actually purchased that little twist tie that I showed you all in the beginning. I actually purchased that from Amazon. It's called Bees Bee, and it's supposed to help with like puffs and for naturals so that it doesn't get snagged, it doesn't get pulled and stuff like that. One thing you do want to remember is the drawstring in front where there's the little knob that you want to pull back. You want to put your finger in between it so that way it does not snag on any hair. But like I said, this is the results. I'll show you the back. And yeah, so I'm literally about to leave to go to my doctor's appointment, which is 3 hours away. So that's the only reason I got halfway decent. But yeah, so y'all pray that my appointment goes good. It is my eye appointment. As some of you may and may not know, I had surgery 2 years ago on my right eye. I had an optic nerve sheath fenestration. I'm legally blind in my right eye, and I was losing vision in my left eye. So they had to go in and try to save that. So it's been 2 years. I've been going back and forth to Morgantown. For the first 6 months, it was every 4 weeks. And then after the first 6 months, it was every 6 weeks. And now I'm officially at every 8 weeks. So God is good, and this video is long enough, but I just wanted to show you the finished results. Please, if you like this video, and I hope you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please comment down in the comment section any thoughts, suggestion, any questions on my puff, my twist out, and I will be doing a wash day twist out routine. I tried something different, and I felt that's why it didn't really work. But I'm going to go back to what I normally do. I have to purchase my curly cream again, and I'm going to do that and show you how I do that and what my twists normally look like. But I will give this much credit. This is the shiniest my hair has ever been after taking out a twist out, so I'm going to continue to do that routine, which is using the As I Am double buttercream. I think it gave excellent shine. And with the Wetline Extreme Gel, it also gave shine as well. So those two products I will still be incorporating. I'm just going to go back to my regular sectioning of how I did it. And last night, that was late. It was 2 o'clock in the morning when I was filming that. So that's why I looked a little crazy or what have you. But that's basically it. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Please don't forget to share as much as possible. Please, if you love me, please subscribe to my channel. I am new, I am growing, and I pray that you become a part of my family. Pray that you all are staying blessed. Please pray for safe travels over the highway. My father is taking me because obviously it's my eyes and they don't know what they have to do. But yeah, that's it. Hope everyone is staying safe. Please continue social distancing. Even though they're opening stuff up, people, we've got to be proactive and we have got to stay in this together. Please. Please, people's lives depend on it, including yours. So stay encouraged, send blessings to those you know and you don't know. Let's all pray for one another, and I hope to see you in my next video, which should be coming soon. Who knows, I might even vlog my trip. So, alright, so until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl, Sherry Monique, with the finished results. And love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.